Let's make a simple leaf particle system that you can use in your game to bring your scene to life. First, we're going to create a new leaf material, and we're going to assign the texture to the material. You can get the texture in the description below. Then we're going to create a new particle system. Then select our particle system, and under the render settings, you want to drag the new material that we created. And this is where you can control the sorting layer and the order in layer as well. I'm going to set the start size to 0.2, and I'm going to use a light green color. For the start rotation, I'm going to use random between two constants, 0 and 180 degrees. For emissions, I'm going to decrease the rate over time to 2. The shape is going to be a rectangle, and I'm just going to reset the transform so that it's easier to see, and I'm just going to increase on the X and on the Y. Next, I'm just going to enable the noise, and this is going to look weird because we have start speed at 5, so set the start speed to 0. Next, we can make them rotate a little bit by enabling rotation over lifetime, and we can make them fade in and out by using the color over lifetime. So at 0, transparency is going to be 0. At 25%, it's going to be 100%. At 75, 100%. And at 100%, it's going to be 0%. And that's it. You should have a nice leaf particle system.